Welcome to Tactical Arbitrage. In this video, I'm going to show you the brand new restriction checker and how you can use it to quickly check whether you're eligible to sell certain products. Starting with Lite, you'll find the restriction checker on the left sidebar under Tools. Open it up, then select the region that you want to check. From here, you can enter up to 5,000 ASINs or UPCs at once. You can separate each code by using spaces or new lines, like so. So you can type them in manually or simply paste in an existing text. Once your list is ready, click Fetch Information. Tactical Arbitrage will process the codes, and after a few seconds, you'll see the results appear here. The status column will show whether each product is gated, ungated, or has another selling restriction associated with it. You can also upload your codes using a CSV file. Right? Click Import from CSV like so, then select the file from your computer, upload it, and then same as before, click Fetch Information to begin processing the list. There's also an option to load a sample list. Click Load Sample List, and Tactical Arbitrage will automatically add 2,000 sample codes from the preset. Now in TA Classic, you'll find the same feature under Analysis Tools. In Set Text section, you'll see product variations, Tactical Edge, and directly beneath those, the restriction checker. Click it and you'll be presented with a very similar interface, but there is a noticeable difference. The ungated brand section down here populates automatically with any searches performed in Tactical Arbitrage. Product search, quick picks, restriction checker, and more. Right? Now, brands with any ungated ASINs show up here. You can always expand the brand to see the ASINs. And lastly, once the process is finished, you'll have the option to export all into a spreadsheet or only export the ungated ones. And that's how you use the new restriction checker inside Tactical Arbitrage to check thousands of products at once before spending time researching or sourcing them.